Today we are starting one of the very interesting topic, that is how to plan meal for a person who is suffering from any of the disease. So here is the diet plan for a person who is suffering from subacute fever. In subacute fever we have studied the disease like typhoid. It involves subacute fever. So whenever we are planning meal or menu for any person who is patient, we have to just look at the three things. What are these three things? Meal, that means at what time you have to give something that person to have for just as a food. Then menu, the thing which you have to include in that so that the person can get all the nutrients, essential nutrients which that person needs for its healthy body or proper functioning of the body. Then the amount, we cannot give something to a patient either in excess or in limitation. So that's why these three things: meal, menu, amount, these three things we have to just focus when we are planning meal for any of the patient. Before proceeding further, we should know for how much calories we are preparing this menu. So it is for 1600 kilocalorie diet for a person who is suffering from subacute fever like typhoid. We have to include the meal in this time. These meals should be included in the diet of a person. Early morning breakfast, then 10 a.m. mid morning lunch, evening tea, evening snack, dinner, bedtime. That means if a person is patient, it doesn't mean that we have to ignore the person is patient, we should give them meager amount of food. No, we have to give them proper food. Now suppose someone is at early morning, what food can be given? We can just substitute it with the same, with the things which are having the same nutritional value. It is given certain example, we can substitute that. It doesn't mean you have to follow the same thing only, but yes, it should be having the consistency, and then it is easy to digest, and the nutrient value like this only. Like if the person early morning, as the person wakes up, it is said now that when someone wakes up early in the morning, then within the 2 hours of just getting waking, we should just give something to that person for having to have that. What is that thing? Any drink can be given. What is that drink? Healthy drink, coconut water, which is going to just give liquid electrolytes. That means here the food which is included, that is having liquid plus electrolytes which are essential for body function. Then the second thing, glucose biscuit. You have given liquid which will balance the amount of water and the electrolytes. Then we are giving biscuit which will just add certain energy to the body of that person or patient. Here we are talking. Then how much coconut water? It doesn't mean the person likes it, we are giving in excess. If the person hates it, we are giving in meager amount. Its amount should be 1 glass, and 2 biscuit equivalent to 1 chapati. So 2 biscuits are given there number. Then in breakfast, that means what is the generally timing for breakfast? It is around 8 to 9, or some people 8 to 9 generally it is taken. In breakfast we have to give the potato sandwich with butter. That means basic food, that food you have to give which is having high calorie, that means high energy food. That's why here in bracket it is mentioned in your notes that high calorie food, any food you can give which is having high calorie. Then banana, that is fruits are essential there. So banana plus apple juice, two things are mentioned there, so that more vitamins and other nutrients are added to the body. How much amount? For sandwich, one portion means 2 slices. Like we have taken one bread, we have just applied that potato stuffing, and then we have covered. Two slices are taken, it is having 2 slices of bread. Then banana, how much? One, that means 100 to 50 gram. It doesn't mean the banana are different in size, they could be small or too large. So what could be its estimated weight? 100 to 150 gram, that much of weight. Then in apple juice, that means any of the juice, that is of 1 glass, and glass would be of 250 ml. Generally the glasses which are there, which use 250 ml, it is having water in that glass, so that much amount of juice has to be given. Then it is said here, you can see here that within a gap of certain time something has to given to the patient for just having as a meal. Like 10 am, अब 10 बजे क्या देंगे? A will be buttermilk or suji upma. That means you are giving again liquid which is just going to just balance the water content in the body, that is buttermilk, and it will add nutrients also to the body. Then suji upma, you can just substitute the suji upma with any other food stuff also, which is light and a person can have. How much amount? Because the person has already taken breakfast and early morning meal. So here how much amount we have to take? 1 glass buttermilk and 1 katuri cooked that उपमा, सूजी उपमा. मिड मॉर्निंग मीन्स इसको आप दोपहर में बोलते हो 12 अराउंड 2 o'clock, we feel hungry, we feel hunger, so at that time we have to give clear dal soup. We can make soup and we can serve to the patient. And what would be the amount of that? One big bowl. Here it was that we have said suji upma 1 katori it was, but here clear dal soup is one big bowl. Now one thing you would be thinking that the person will eat throughout the day, how it can be? So I would like to tell you, our body nutrients in this manner only, the way it is mentioned there. We are skipping our meal, which is resulting in weakening of our immune system, and also the feeling of lethargy, and we are not feeling that much interested in other activities. Otherwise, if a person want healthy life like we many people have, so then person has to follow all these meal planning, and that's why it is just included here. And in the case of a person is patient, then more attention has to be given. Then the next thing is given here, after mid morning it is a time for lunch. Generally lunch is taken around the 2 o'clock. At lunch time what has to be given? It is having the, you can see all the soft food which are easy to digest here. What we include in our diet, that is dal chawal sabji roti raita and salad with fruits and all these things we include. But here all the, you can see the soft easy digesting foods are included there. Khichdi, soft vegetable like lauki, which is easy to digest. Here option of or is written. Or means you can just substitute the vegetable of that lauki, tinda, pumpkin, potato, or koi bhi sabji which is soft, you can use that. Then washed dal, pulses should not be used as it is, they are coming from the market because they can contain pesticide or any germs. So washed dal is written here. Then curd, which is also improving the digestive system. Then cooking oil, that means you should not avoid oil here, you have to use oil there. And cooking oil doesn't mean you have to give that oil person to just drink. It means oil should be used in making a food. Even you can use substitute of that ghee, which is more better for your body, that can also be given. After that, how much amount would be of that? Khichdi, you are giving, khichdi means you are giving rice multiplied with, here you are giving khichdi means it is multiplied with khichdi rice it is having. Then it is having pulses, you can add those pulses which are easy to digest, like the pulse which is easy to digest is that moong ki dal, it can be added to that, or other pulses which are available at that time and easy to digest, that can be used. So khichdi is, the amount of khichdi would be one big bowl. Then soft vegetables which we are taking, that would be like we are taking 1 katori, that much is enough there. Then pulses, dal which we are taking, curd which we are taking, both are 1 katori enough. And that of cooking oil 1 to 1.5 tablespoon, just sorry, teaspoon it is, that means 1 and 1.5 teaspoon oil can be given. It doesn't mean to have so much oil because we are eating since morning, so throughout the day we will add so much amount of oil in our body. But it also doesn't mean to skip oil or ghee from your diet, because I think in 9 you have studied your cell is made up of plasma membrane, which is made up of lipid and protein. So these both are very much essential for making of your cell membrane as well as all the organelles. So we can't skip that. The next thing is that after lunch, it is an evening time, which is around 4 o'clock. What happened? Person again just gets the craving to have something. So at that time we have to give them tea with the sugar. Again, glucose biscuit can be given to balance the energy level in that person. And tea, obviously it is 1 cup with 2 teaspoon sugar. That means sugar also you will not exceed. That person likes extreme sugar, they will add. If someone doesn't like sugar, then a bit amount can be just restricted, but it doesn't mean to exceed that, because amount of sugar will be balanced from other diet, but you should not exceed that, otherwise excess of sugar will occur in the body. Glucose biscuit again 2 in number. Why 2 in number, not more? Because we are balancing energy here, we are not just satisfying the appetite. we have to give that much energy which body will utilize, body will digest, and it will also not cause any other ailment related to digestive system. Then after that, we have taken evening tea, then evening is snack. What happened around suppose someone has taken tea and the biscuit around 4 o'clock, then around 6 o'clock again, that because the body is utilizing the energy, craving can occur in the body. So at that time we have to give them evening snack. And what is that evening snack? That includes lemon water, water plus electrolyte, again sugar and salt we are adding. So it's just giving that hydrating energy. And stewed apple, stewed apple, you know what is stewing? In the that you can minimum moisture that apple are just only soften. So that is the stewing. You have studied in methods of cooking. Stewed apple, amount of that lemon water you can say 1 glass, and that of the stewed apple 1 katori. That would be enough for a person. Dinner at night, dinner is generally taken around, it should be taken between 7 to 8, but if someone is taking around 8:30, that's also okay. So dinner has been taken, and it dinner, boiled rice, soft vegetable, again the same vegetables are repeated which are there. Then again whole you can see menu of this lunch is repeated there, only khichdi is replaced with boiled rice, and we can even replace it with other stuff also. And why we are not offering chapati here? Because that would not be that much easy to digest. Boiled rice and all this will get easily digested in the body, that's why it is added there. Or you can make other of the stuffs which are like dalia, these things which can be easily digested in the body. The next thing, before bedtime, like person is going to go sleep for sleeping, so at that time we have to give them apple juice for just drinking. You can see here the whole menu just involves how much kilocalorie diet. It is a kilocalorie diet of 1600 kilocalorie for subacute fever.